I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. Okay, you guys, tonight we're making lemon pepper chicken. And the first ingredients are 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon lemon pepper seasoning, 1 cup kosher salt, 2 lemons divided, 1 pound boneless chicken breast, and I think it said halved, and 2 teaspoons extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 cloves of garlic minced. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you haven't been here before, I like to try to make a new recipe every week. And so this week it's lemon pepper chicken, as I described before. And anyhow, so we're going to take a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and I have a little medium bowl here and something to whisk it together with. I'm going to take a 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, just 1/2 cup, lemon pepper. I hope I don't have trouble with this lemon pepper. Let's see. I just need a tablespoon of lemon pepper. I only need a tablespoon. So I'm going to get my lemon pepper out. Put in the medium bowl. Salt, kosher salt. So we need a teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm tongue-tied here. And don't tell me I don't have a teaspoon over there. Jacob, could you find me a teaspoon? Okay. So, there we go. So we got a teaspoon kosher salt. And the zest of 1 lemon. So this little grater happens to have a zester on one side, so I'm just going to zest this lemon real quickly. I've already washed it, and now I'm just going to zest it. And that's about right. Zest it up good. Oh, it smells so yummy. This really smells good, guys. Okay. And so we're just going to whisk it together. Just whisk it. Oh, it looks like my lemon pepper seasoning is clumping together. I think in the humid area here, you have to put something in your lemon pepper to keep it from clumping. But there it is. That's the mixture that I'm going to do. And then, so we're going to take our chicken, which I had chicken breasts and I halved them. And you're just going to put them in a mixture, just coat them. And I'm going to put them on a plate and get ready to put them in the skillet. So once I get them all coated, I'm going to put them in a single layer and cook them until they're golden on the bottom. And that should take about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to flip the chicken. And I'm going to cook these in a skillet that I can put it right into the oven, because that's what they suggest. And then, and we'll see how it goes from there. You know, once you put them in the skillet, you add the garlic and the butter, get ready to put them in the oven right directly from the skillet after you flip them. So we'll just see how that goes. And that's, I think part of the fun of doing these videos is that I never know how it's going to turn out either. This is my first time making this recipe. So it's kind of exciting for me because I've not ever tried this recipe. And, you know, don't really know how it's going to turn out, but it sounds so good. So I thought, well, if it sounds really good, if y'all have any recipes that just sound scrumptious that you'd like to see me try, send them in, comment, you know, and comment and send me a link. I always leave links to my recipes in the description, so you can try this just like I did. And I hope you enjoy this recipe, this lemon pepper chicken recipe. I like to pick out a special recipe for every Friday night, which is our family special dinner get together. And we say our prayers and have a special dinner, and it's just a beautiful time together. So what I'm doing is I took a little olive oil and I put it in the bottom of the pan, and I'm heating it up and getting it warm enough so that when the chicken goes in, it'll kind of sizzle. Okay, this chicken, it should go in a single layer, so I'm just going to lay it in the pan. And you may have noticed I'm cooking with a cast iron skillet, which I think is healthier. And also, a cast iron skillet will go directly into the oven. So this is perfect for this. And it looks like I've got a little more chicken than I've got skillets. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that. I don't want to get it too crowded. So in goes a half cup of chicken broth. Okay, and so 2 tablespoons of butter, so I'm just going to count right here. 1, 2. There we go. And I'm just going to slice it and put it in. 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt down and be in the mixture. Cloves of garlic, which I love garlic, so I've got about 2 cloves here, and I've got just a little over 2 cloves maybe of garlic in that. And I think that is going to be beautiful. I can't wait. I'm going to put me a bunch of garlic in here. My family loves garlic. Okay, I'm going to add the lemons. The rest of the lemons. And it did say 2 lemons, but I only have 1, so I'm just not going to put quite that much lemon on there. And we're just going to let it cook just like that. That is really pretty. And it says to cook it until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce reduces slightly. So it should be about 3 minutes, it says, like this. And I don't guess they want you to cover it, so that's fine. Okay, guys, I'm just going to take a spoon and I'm going to get some of this little sauce. I just reduced quite a bit. I probably shouldn't have reduced it quite so much. And I turned the heat down so it will continue to reduce. And I'm just going to start kind of basting this chicken with its little sauce mixture here. Oh, that looks so good. It smells so good too. It's just amazing smelling. So, now, they said that I could have done all of this just right here on the skillet. I could leave it on the skillet and just wait for the chicken to be done all the way through, or I could put it into the oven for about 5 minutes. So I'm thinking that I will put it into the oven for about 5 minutes just to be super sure that my chicken is done. Okay, I've moved my chicken skillet, or my cast iron skillet, into the oven, and I'm going to turn it on for 5 minutes. Okay, we just transferred it to the platter, and this is what it looks like. And now this is going to go in the keep warm drawer so I can make another batch because my skillet's kind of small. But I hope y'all have as good a luck with this recipe as I did. And thank you so much for viewing.